Good day, everyone. I am Paul Matthew Nilan J. Palicar from BS Cream A, and with me is Miss Christine Fernandez, an AF staff. So, yung interview po is about our subject ethics, and my question for you po is, can you be a good person even if you make mistakes? Kahit po Tagalog po.
Siyempre, magiging mabuting tao ka pa kahit na namin naman. Kasi, tao magaling na siya na nagtatao ka pang tao.
Ayun. Thank you po.
Kevin Limyak, and for the next interview, I am here with Prof. Justin Canson from the CCS. And your question is, what makes action good or bad?
So, for me, what makes an action good or bad is kung nakaka-harm ba siya ng ibang tao. Kasi as human, di ba nga yun nga tayo, social beings tayo. So, for me, importante kung good yung isang action if nakakapag-benefit siya, hindi lang sa atin, pati sa mga ibang kapwa-tao. For example, considered as bad yung killing, halimbawa, kasi nga yun nakakapag-harm siya. Another example is stealing. Again, same concept, nakakapag-harm siya or nakakakos siya ng abala sa ibang tao. Pero for example, yung kinoconsider natin ng halimbawa is charity. Yun. Technically, wala naman siya harm na ginagawa, pero nakakatulong sa ibang tao. So for me, what makes an action good or bad is if nakakatulong siya sa ibang tao or even sa ibang.
So, may isa pa akong tanong sa'yo. Can you be a good person even if you make mistakes?
For me, yes. Kasi, yun nga, isali din natin yung, yung Bible. We as human beings, imperfect tayo, it is inevitable for us to make mistakes or make sin. Pero, yun nga, at the end of the day, kung yung ginagawa mo is may kabutihan, and lalo na hindi mo naman sinasadya yung mga ginagawa ng kasalanan na focus natin sa best imperfection natin, we can still be considered as good.
Thank you.